Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this JPEG, and it's really fuzzy, and they want to know how you could draw that shape. Well, I drew it just to make sure I could draw it. I put it in 3 different colors. I think the easiest thing to do would be to make a rectangle with your corner radius unlocked. Let's go 4 inches. And that all depends on how big you want it or whatever. But now let's take Control D and make a duplicate while holding down start moving it while holding down the control button. And you see you get kind of that shape. I would group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate it, holding down the control button so it'll mirror that away, and then mirror it that away. You're going to have to manually move it, but if you put your pointer right on that node, whoop, got off a little bit. Several ways you could do it, but I think taking the virtual segment delete key and deleting that, taking the smart fill tool and filling that in. Well, I did it backwards than theirs, but easy enough to make it like that. Let's see how close it is. I may be a little bit off on the thickness, but that can be played with, and you could reduce your circle quite a bit by if you took it all depends on how big you start with. So we're still a lot, let's make this 3 inches. And so you're going to reduce that circle versus if you do it 5 inches. So let's do it at 3 and see what happens. Control D and make a duplicate. Get to the 4-point, I'm going to get the pick tool back. The 4-point cross, start moving and hold down the control button. And this is where you could actually, if you wanted to know how thick to make it, let's say we wanted a 1/4 inch thick, 0.25. Well, that's not near enough on that. Control D to duplicate, and let's make it 1 inch. That's a little bit skinny, but you get the idea. You could measure that and get that. Anyway, I hope that helped and answered their question, and thank you for watching.